when you're at work and about to leave, and the wife said, make sure you eat your lunch before you come back home. I eating my lunch. Yeah man, just done work here. Trying to heat up my yard fowl. She made some yard chicken, some hard fowl chicken. Chicken curry that is. So hungry brace me, I gotta eat it out. See how big my bowl big? Are you one of those person that eat all the rice out and then eat the chicken after? Let me know. That's what I do right now. Yeah man, happy Saturday to y'all. I'll work again. Yes, happy cold Saturday once again. What's going on, family? How is everybody doing, man? Hope you guys staying warm. As you know, yesterday, day the 13th, I see a little bit of snow on the ground. This whole place was white, completely wiped out. So last week weather that we got, nice weather, man, outside cooking and stuff like that, chilling, cleaning car. That gone. That long gone. Back to Canada. So yeah, we back here in Canada again. Yeah man, hope you guys doing well, staying warm, you know. On my way back home. I see my little breakfast I had there just now. Can't carry that home, eh? Can't carry that back home. Yeah, man. Just going home. I gotta go get a haircut. I've been gone get my hair cut since like Christmas time. The man must forget who I am. If I ain't paying attention to you driving, by the way. Illegally holding a phone. Yeah, I gotta go get a haircut. Probably make 2 other stops, 1 other stops, maybe. So, see what's going on. Not sure what the plan is for the day yet. I'm sure something's gonna come up, or what we gonna be throwing in the pot. So, let's see what the day bring. Let's see what the weekend bring. Actually, it's Saturday, man. So, place cool. It look like an indoor weekend till like next week is gonna get back a little bit decent weather, you know. So yeah, so stick around, see what's on the menu for the day. All right. This is my ride home, man. See the snow on the ground. Everybody's out and about, you know, Saturday hustle and bustle. Yeah, not sure what the pot's gonna bring yet, right? Or what's gonna get dashed in the pot. But anyway, let me go. This is my ride right here, 401 West. Yo, people keep getting flat tires. See that guy? There was 2 people this morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to work, and people are getting flat tires on the highway, man. These guys, they gotta fix these potholes that's everywhere, yo. I'm telling you, there's like so many holes on the highway. Every day I drive here, I see people with flat tire. There's so many big potholes. This place has been so cold, and what happened when the water goes under the road and they patch it before, they form ice and it just raise up back the road where they patch, and then it creates another hole. And when you hit that at high speed, you're blowing out your tires. Yeah, but if that happened to you, 311, call them up, tell them exactly where the hole is that you hit, and they gotta pay for your tires. Pay to get your tire fixed or repair. Because the city's doing a terrible job in fixing the road, man. The road is bad, like seriously bad. If you're driving on a highway, even like the side street and stuff, man, the city's doing a terrible job. I always see these guys, 5 of them, 4 of them get a coffee cup in their hand and 1 of them with a shovel. That's how these guys are working, and how they get work done like that. I shouldn't say that, but that's how they're working. Like there's like holes like everywhere, like holy crap. Bare bumps and holes. I'm like that chicken curry get like Angry Bird she cook or something. Lady cook Angry Bird and give me for eat. Yo. Yeah, man. Anyways, angry because all these cars on the road and all these potholes on the road. Let me go see if I can find something at Princess Auto. You know, this store does calm my mind down, right? So let me go see. Work out this Angry Bird curry you wanna just eat. Yeah, man, I need something from Princess Auto. Little project I gotta do. So let me go see if they have what I need. Alright. My second favorite store. Lots of stuff in here, guys. If you need stuff, summer stuff, winter stuff, hardware stuff, you know what I mean? Toys. You know what I mean? Everything. They have everything in here, right? So come check out Princess Auto when you have time, man. You have a little project, maybe they have stuff for you to use, you know what I mean? So they got enough stuff in here. So I got to I gotta do something to my garage shelf because it's slooping right in the middle. So I gotta find a way to lift it back up, right? Because the garage door slider is going right underneath like that, and it's like this far. So let me see if they have a little bit of chain and a hook to adjust it and just hold it up, right? So they got a lot of stuff here, man. So basically like 2 anchors, one from the ceiling, one from the shelf, and just adjust it and raise it up, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm here to check, see what they have, right? See, like these little self-adjusting hooks right here, right? Turnbuckle, these are called turnbuckle. And they got these hooks right here. So you just hook it on, run a chain top to bottom, right, and adjust it. You just turn this here and it adjusts itself to whatever tension you want, right? So let me see the stuff what they have and we go from there. Alright man, so I know how much it gonna cost me to do what I gotta do. They have everything there and they have everything else that you need, right? So come check out Princess Auto, man. Check out Princess Auto. So if you got a hammock, you wanna hang, these can work. Alright, screw them in the wall, 12 bucks. Anchor rings, I'm gonna have to get some of those. The lady wanna hang up some hammock in the garage this summer, right? My garage, my only space I have in that house. They got different kinds, man. They have all different kinds, right? Yeah. So anyways, got lost there for a second. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Come through Princess Auto, man. You need everything, anything. If you need tools, small job, if you think you know what you do, like me, and you have no idea what you know to do, they have tools for that too. Alright? So if you've never been in Princess Auto, come check it out. I'm done here, man. I'm not just came in to see what they have for what I need to do, right? So let's browse around. I want to get my hair cut. Alright, so there we go. Let's go. Enough things here, man. Alright, so come through. They even got a motorcycle. I think I showed you guys this the last time. Lots of stuff. All right. They even got gun case. You want to hide your gun, your machine gun and thing, they have that here, right? Check it out. Alright, moving on to the next adventure. Mall empty. Guess all the people that are supposed to be in the mall, they're on the highway. Yeah, man, so let me go see if this chap can give me a quick haircut. I don't think there's gonna be a quick haircut, buddy. There's enough people there. Long lineup. Let me see. Two. See, Miss Sonia. Hi. How are you? So, we're here. We gotta wait. A couple of guys. Been a while since I was here, man.
Sporting events, emergencies, camping. Everybody should have one of these in their bag. survival of many animals, including sea lions. They are producing fish that has plastic in it. This is a completely solvable problem, isn't it? It's solvable, but we have to reduce our use of plastics.
Come check out my other favorite store, Calm Minerve. My other happy place, eh? We got Snow White and the Dirty Blue. And we got a red fire over here. What is it? Red fire red or red fire? Fire red. Like the bird, right?
Yeah.
So, if you guys wanna wash, you come through. I'm next, eh? Hey,
Yeah.
I'm close to the driveway. I'm next. Pops is on a mission. Doesn't matter the temperature.
Or the weather will come in next.
Somebody says something about snow.
Will come in.
Yo, you think we joking? No. The sun about to set, and Pops is doing his thing, man. Watch this going. The thing is, I don't know much more shiny, the sun
This is snow. The snow do you walk me
or the
me.
car.
The car gotta be clean. You understand?
Check this thing out, man. This thing is spotless, right? Even. Oh my God.
Unnecessary. And it's a form of exercise, not laziness.
There you go.
Unnecessary. Clean the inside, yeah.
Unnecessary exercise.
Outside when the weather's bad, no.
So guys, hey, don't let the cold air, like I was complaining early this morning about, or earlier today, void you from doing your exercise. Right, Pops? Come out and clean your car, man. Once the sun is out, come get some come get some vitamin D. And we got a whole bunch of snow out here, eh?
It doesn't bother me.
Obviously, it doesn't bother you. Alright, so hey, this thing not done yet?
No, I gotta do the wheels.
Bring in this one, nobody.
I gotta do the wheels. The rim gotta be clean. You gotta see the chrome. When you go down there, make sure you lock the pipe tight, right?
Yeah, turn off the pipe before it freezes up. Yo, place cold out here. And this man,
You gotta change the oil.
and the baby. Mama? Moms? Sorry. Yo. Yo, he waiting, I waiting for a car wash,
Yeah,
eh?
pay the guy $2. Decline.
So,
Quick wash.
nah, I couldn't do it at work today. I missed out. Sharp block up. Yeah, man, yo. We out here watching Pops wash his car. We out here watching you wash his car. Look at me car
cold
door.
too,
Look at me
man.
car. What me car? Dirty. And Pops out here
Mat and everything.
chilling. Everything the man thing right now, yo. Mats, detail, inside detail.
Inside, brand new.
What is? Hey, yo, I think this camera got dirty, this man car. Yo, it smells good in here. Yo. What's that, vanilla?
You want to see the hood? You wanna watch the- okay.
What is that, vanilla?
I don't know what you using.
Yo, anyway, this, what do you think? Shining, glide, yo. Hopefully it don't rain tonight. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight. Anyways, guys, that's what Pop's doing, man. Pop's washing out his car. Alright? But this guy, hey, just wash one door, right? The most important door is the front door. Yo, Pops.
I make you sit passenger side.
That's it, man. Leave the car alone.
I think you have to.
I think you're making more mess than anything. Leave it.
And the dry might be white.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm telling you. The whole car. Hey, if you wanted to wash, you could have just do my wheels. Just the wheels alone is more expensive than the car. Pops bored.
You're telling me the wheel more there than the car?
Pops is bored, man. Nah, leave it. It's all good. I know you like the blue. You just want to see a little glare. Metallic. Thank you, though. Look, man. Hardest working Bramptonian car wash detail.
$2.
$2 car, eh? How you come through? AJ discount $190. That's 20%. If my math is good, it's 20%. One door. Anyways, Pops, leave that, man. Play school. Go warm up yourself.
Too good, man. What's your quarter final?
Yo, you missed a spot there, eh? What there? Right there.
Oh, this is white.
Right in the
Yeah,
bottom.
this is white.
Wait, right in the bottom there. Where my finger there? Right there. Yeah. See the white spot right there? We got a star girl in the back case all decked out with a card and no pen. Yo, in a gangster car, you know, ain't no pen here. All we get is beeper and cell phone. Ain't no pen up in here.
Why are you using a light?
And we getting two soldier man up in the front there. Chauffeur and driver. Chauffeur. Yeah, man, yo. So we heading out to Justin's birthday. We got driver. We got chauffeur. Then two will go lime and make money just now to buy a pen. Anyway, so yo,
Can't see.
you can't see. We gotta turn on the light in the car. Somebody can't see. Yo. That's what's going on, man. Yo, we backseat driver. Look what's going on. Big things going on, right? Yeah, man, take our front seat. Soon, we got Uber. We say penless. Huh?
I can't see.
Maybe
Turn
maybe
right.
they can afford to buy we a pen next month. What is it? Somebody just drop a bomb and it's deadly. Sound like egg and beans up in here. I know who a driver, who a chauffeur. Yeah, who did it? Who done did it? Yo, I gotta ruin my cologne.
My head hurts.
My eye hurt.
The light's gonna
Beer fumes are gone.
The Miami Heat coach. You have your chance.
You're watching the
Yeah, man, welcome to the 60th.
Congratulations, brother. What do you got there?
almost everything.
You can't really bring more for me.
Let me see what you have. What you got? What you got? Just open. Just open. Come, come, come. Oh, you want me to open the pot? Tell me what you have here. We got goat. We got chicken curry. We got roti. The host is being shy, okay, guys? Hey, the host is being shy of what she cooked today. So, you guys, what's going on? We got Polari. Shall we got here? Oh, potato curry. Let me try name off all these. Oh, so I'm gonna take this bowl home, right? I'm gonna take this bowl home. This one bowl I'm gonna take home. Where do you guys get fried rice from? Heat? Caribbean Heat? Caribbean Line? Big up the Gangara, man. Caribbean Line fried rice. Comes with the chicken, a whole bowl of chicken. We got salad and chana. What's in that? Huh? Chow mein? Oh, so I'm taking this tray home and the other tray over there. I'm taking that tray. And we get the two lovely ladies already. How's the food? How's the food?
Delicious.
Delicious?
Yeah, definitely. I'm vegetarian, so I love whatever I have. The potato curry and the lentil roti, I love that.
Everything nice, eh?
Yeah, everything is literally nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime. Have some more, right?
Not later on. We're gonna be hungry again.
Alright, so this is what's going on for the food, man. We chilling, we having food, good company.
I'm shy. I'm camera
Are we got a shy girl over here?
I'm camera shy.
Anyway, so we're here for Justin's 16th birthday, chilling out. Alright. Wait, let me get shy girl in there. Anyway, so we're here chilling out, man. Alright. That's what's going on for food, and the taste testers already. And shy girl. We have a different shy girl. Yo, big up shy girl from
You're doing vlogging or just
from
recording?
recording right now.
Memory.
Yeah. Big up shy girl from Florida. Why Trini? What's going on, my brother?
Hey, your shadow got in my way.
Masari, wait. Masari, sorry. Go on, do your thing. Take a picture now. I know, I'm just blocked. Need to get out of here. Anyways, guys, we doing the cake.
I was just joking.
Happy birthday, Justin.
Birthday.
Mr. 16. Happy birthday, Just. You guys go in there, go in there, go in there. right, congratulations to my brother Rohan. His son is 16 now. Beer trouble.
You give him the Lexus key.
Yeah. Oh no, no word that. He gonna know when he missed that. Yo, congratulations, my brother. Having a big teenager. Alright, so Rohan is gonna gift his son. Let me show you guys. Lexus SUV 2. Who are you giving that? You're not giving that to B, right?
Right.
That's right. Not to B.
Plus you get your room key.
On the room.
I start the car every morning for warm up.
Justin. No deal. Tell him no deal. No deal. Say no deal. No deal. Test drive the Lexus. Yo, take the CRV. Tell him you take the CRV. The CRV. Hey. The CRV gonna get you more girls. Don't worry. Enough. Gotta go Honda. Honda.
Where you got the CRV?
Yeah.
Not gonna be better for me.
Hey. Better for him too.
Win-win.
Hey. CRV. Don't worry. Uncle gonna help you set it up. Don't worry.
Look how you get the CRV, right?
Buddy. CRV. The best thing in the world.
Right?
The best car. The best SUV in the world. CRV.
And me.
Happy birthday, Justin, man.
Switch to salsa.